Tossi Advisory Group, tag. OTPS size. TossiAdvisoryGroup.com, 4,000. Watch Hour Blueprint. How small channels actually get monetized, without luck. Let me slow this down. Because if you understand what I'm about to say, you will never look at YouTube the same again. Most people fail on YouTube for the same reason most people stay broke. They chase outcomes without building systems. They want views. They want subscribers. They want monetization. But they never stop to ask how YouTube actually works. And that's what this is about. Not hacks, not trends, not lottery thinking. This is about control. Section 1. The lie that kills most channels. Here's the lie. If you just post enough, YouTube will figure you out. No, YouTube doesn't figure people out. YouTube measures behavior. It measures how long people stay, what they watch next, whether they come back, whether they binge. If your channel does not create sessions, it does not get rewarded. One video watched and abandoned is a failure, even if it has views. 3 videos watched back-to-back is a win, even with fewer views. That's the first mindset shift. Stop thinking in videos. Start thinking in viewing sessions. Section 2. Why views don't pay and watch hours do. Let's be honest. Views are ego metrics. Watch hours are business metrics. You can get 10,000 views and still not qualify for monetization. You can get 1,500 loyal viewers and qualify. Why? Because YouTube monetizes time, not applause. If you want 4,000 watch hours, you need 240,000 minutes of intentional viewing. That means your job is not to entertain. Your job is to hold attention and redirect it. Section 3. The series trap. This is where control starts. Here's the move that separates creators from channels that monetize. Random uploads lose. Series win. Every monetized channel has at least one core series that acts like a funnel. So I start with a single sentence. This channel helps this person solve this problem without this pain. If you can't say that sentence clearly, your channel will drift. Then I break the problem into steps. Not opinions, not stories. Steps. Each video answers one question, but opens the door to the next. And here's the rule. A video that doesn't point somewhere else is incomplete. So I end every video with intention. Before you leave, watch this next video, because it finishes what we started. That's not begging. That's leadership. Section 4. Playlists are not optional. They are multipliers. Let me be clear. Playlists are not decoration. They are infrastructure. A playlist tells YouTube, this content belongs together. A playlist tells the viewer, you don't have to think, just keep watching. I don't make 20 playlists. I make one dominant series playlist. And everything feeds it. Descriptions, pinned, comments, end screens, lives, shorts. If your channel doesn't have a clear start here path, you are leaking watch hours every day. Section 5. Shorts. Attention is useless without direction. Now let's talk about shorts, because this is where creators get stuck. Shorts give you reach, but reach without redirection is wasted energy. So I don't post shorts to go viral. I post shorts to interrupt curiosity. Each short does one thing. It raises a question the long video answers. And the related video link is not optional. It is the bridge. Here's the advanced move. Every time I post a new long video, I update the related link on my old high-performing shorts. That means yesterday's content fuels today's growth. That's leverage. That's ownership. That's system thinking. Section 6. Long videos must earn their time. Now let's talk retention, because this is where watch hours are either born or buried. If your first 10 seconds are weak, nothing else matters. I open with who this is for, what problem we're solving, what payoff is coming. Then I roadmap the video so people don't feel lost. Lost viewers leave. Oriented viewers stay. I don't ramble. I respect time. That respect gets returned in watch minutes. Section 7. Live streams. Time stacking, done right. Live streaming is misunderstood. It's not for talking. It's for stacking minutes. 1 hour, 20 people. That's 20 watch hours. But structure matters. I open every live with clarity. I teach one focused lesson. I guide questions. I close by routing viewers into the series. Then I save the replay. Optimize the title. Add it to the playlist. Now that live works twice. That's not hustle. That's leverage. Section 8. Evergreen content is wealth, not hype. Trends spike. Evergreen compounds. Evergreen videos answer questions that never stop being asked. How do I start? What am I doing wrong? Why does this keep failing? Each evergreen video becomes an entry point. Each entry point becomes a session. And I revisit them. I upgrade them. I tighten them. Old content is not trash. It's inventory. Section 9. Loyalty beats scale, every time. Here's a truth that scares people. You don't need a big audience. You need a committed one. 10 people watching 10 videos beats 1,000 people watching one. So I talk to my viewers like humans. I ask real questions. I respond. I build habit, not hype. Habit builds watch hours. Watch hours build monetization. Section 10. The math that ends confusion. Let's end confusion with math. 4,000 hours equals 240,000 minutes. If your average viewer watches 3 minutes, 80,000 views. 6 minutes, 40,000 views. 12 minutes, 20,000 views. So don't chase volume. Chase depth. Depth is controllable. Luck is not. Final section. The real truth about monetization. Monetization is not a reward. It's a result. It's what happens when you stop chasing views, you start designing sessions, you respect attention, you build structure. This is how small channels win. Quietly, consistently, intentionally. Not by luck, not by gimmicks, by design. Close. If this helped you, don't leave randomly. Start at episode 1. Build the system. Let the system work. This is tag premium thinking. This is ownership. This is monetization done right.